Now let's understand some more points about magnitude and direction of a vector, because you know that vector is a quantity which has got both magnitude and direction. Now let me take a two-dimensional coordinate system and say a point 4, 3. So to locate this point, 4 units have to be covered on x-axis and 3 units have to be covered on y-axis, and we get 4, 3. Let me call this point as P, which is 4, 3. Now what is P equals 4, 3? It is just a pair of numbers with an order that 4 comes first, 3 comes next. So it is called as order pair of real number. Order pair of real numbers. Now I join OP. Now I get the position vector. And what is OP now? OP is position vector of P. Position vector of P, which is vectorially written as 4i cap plus 3j cap. Now what is the magnitude of this? See, this unit is 4 and this is 3. So what is the magnitude of OP? Now magnitude, that is length of the directed line segment O to P, magnitude of OP is written symbolically within two parallel lines. You write the vector notation, magnitude of OP, and from Pythagoras theorem we can say that it is the square root of 4 square plus 3 square, that is root of 16 plus 9, that is root of 25, which is equal to 5. Now magnitude of OP is 5. This is also sometimes called as modulus of vector. The value of the magnitude, it's a scalar quantity. Magnitude is a scalar quantity. It is 5. Now what is the direction? Vector should have direction also. Now let me take this angle in the anti-clockwise direction with the vector OP from the x-axis as theta. Now in the figure, let's take tan theta. Now we have a right angle triangle here. Let me call this point as M. OMP is a right angle triangle. Now tan theta equals, what is tan theta? Tan theta is MP divided by OM. That is 3 by 4. MP is 3 units, OM is 4 units. So now theta is tan inverse of 3 by 4. And from Clock's table, you can find the value of tan inverse of 3 by 4, and it gives some angle x degree. Because I don't have logbook now, right now. So tan inverse of 3 by 4 will give you some angle which is x degree. So this is x degree. So now we understood that vector has magnitude, it also has direction. So any vector can be written as an order pair of real numbers, can be expressed in terms of position vector. It has modulus or magnitude, and it also has direction.